Hey, so I had a question from somebody in one of my boot camps. They were asking, how do you set up free shipping on Etsy? So I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to do it. So log into your dashboard and then go to settings and shipping settings. And you can see I've already got it ready. So there's two spots here. There's this spot and then there's the US free shipping guarantee. So this is what they're really pushing on Etsy. It means obviously enjoy priority placement and search when you offer free shipping. So Etsy likes this. They're kind of saying either you turn it on or we're not going to really give you much traffic volume in the search. And they say we're making it easier for shoppers in the United States to find more items that ship for free. What's the free shipping guarantee? All items $35 and over ship free to US buyers. All orders totaling $35 or more ship free to US buyers. All orders will ship based on your existing shipping settings, and then get started. And then can I recover the costs? Here's a breakdown of where your past year's revenue came from. Okay, that's cool. Get started, so you can do that. I already offer free shipping, but they have all this stuff too. So this is one spot. You just click get started, and then it'll say set a US free shipping guarantee. You're about to offer free shipping on orders of $35 and up for US buyers. Great choice. Here's what it means. Click set free shipping now and your guarantee will be turned on. There we go. Got it. Now here, it automatically takes you to that. You're making shoppers happy with a free shipping guarantee. Way to go. You set up a free shipping guarantee in your shop, making your items easier to find in US searches to help you turn more browsers into buyers. How do I recover shipping costs? The US. You may consider adding some or all of your shipping prices to your item prices so you can recover the cost of the shipping when you set up free shipping guarantee to the US. You can read more here about how to edit items 35 and up to recover shipping costs. So they basically just take you to a page where they're talking about pricing and how to adjust your pricing. So like if something is, charging $5 for shipping, then you just add the $5 to the price, which I mean, it's kind of dumb, but it makes sense because that's what consumers want, so that's what they're doing. And that is the guarantee. And this is the important part for you as a seller. So what does priority placement in search mean? Etsy considers a lot of factors when ranking items in search. Yeah, they sure do. They definitely do. Different buyers may see different sets of search results, 100%. But starting soon, items that meet our shipping guarantee will be the most visible in search. Meaning, they're basically saying, oh, it's optional, but turn it on or else. It's kind of like the company retreats for big corporations. They're like, yeah, it's volunteer. You don't have to come. And if you don't go, then you're like shunned in the company. Same with this. They're basically telling you to do it without telling you to do it. And to make it easy as possible for US customers to find items that are eligible to ship for free, Etsy will reserve the most visible search spots on the page for items that ship free and shops that offer free shipping on orders of $35 and above to US buyers. Best ways to optimize your listings for search will still be the core principles from our ultimate guide to search, which I actually would read through. I mean, it's kind of basic, but they're basically saying fill in everything. Like, that's not really a beefy article, but they do have links. Anyway. But now with a new priority for items that meet buyer expectations when it comes to shipping price, that's good. So what will happen to my shipping price if a buyer doesn't spend $35 or more? If you have a free shipping guarantee, but your buyer doesn't spend $35 or more to qualify for the free shipping, the shipping prices you've already set, either the shipping profile or the individual listings will apply. So there you go. And they've got these ultimate guides, but I mean, ultimately, they're just giving you the basics. They're never going to tell you exactly how their algorithm works. Have questions, go there. Okay, so that's one way, right? Now the other way, as you can see here, I have a free shipping one, and I'll actually edit this for you to show you. So I put a profile name, I called it free shipping, country of origin, United States, and I just put 90210, because I have on this shop, there's currently 2 production partners, and they're in different spots. So I just figured, hey, let's go Beverly Hills, because it's really the only zip code that I know in the US, like off the top of my head, based on that old TV show. You youngsters, you probably don't even know what that means, but you can Google it. It was a very popular TV show back in the day. Now, processing time. This is important. If you go too short with this and you don't meet your processing time, you're running the risk of putting your whole store into a payment reserve. And payment reserves stink. They're not fun at all. And actually, I have a video on payment reserves on my channel. I'll show you here. So let me find it one sec. Content. This one. So I got this one all about the payment reserve, and it is something that you don't really want to get into because ultimately it does hurt your store quite a bit. And once you get in the payment reserve, I'll show you here in a second. Skip ad. It looks like this. It's a 90-day reserve, and it blows. This store that we're on, was it this one? Yeah, this one. No, it was another one. It hit a payment reserve because of this right here, the processing time. I had my processing time set as this, 1 to 3 business days. And I went away on a holiday, and I came back, and 1 or 2 of my orders were personalized orders where like you take the information, then you have to update the supplier with the personalized information so they can go ahead and process the order. I didn't do that when I went away. So those 2 orders, it was 1 or 2 that triggered Etsy saying, like looking at it and saying, well, he didn't meet his processing time twice. So now we're going to put a payment reserve on his account. And the payment reserve means they basically withhold your money for a fixed period of time. It sucks. So for processing time, they always say this, buyers are more likely to purchase items that ship quickly. True, but then on the same token, if you put your processing time as too fast and you don't meet it, Etsy will punish you big time. So don't do that. All right, then you go down here and you add a shipping service, and what you'll charge, you can do a fixed price or free shipping, so select free. So I set one up for the United States, and then I set one up for Canada, and then I set one up for everywhere else. Okay, so you can add locations here. So do US first with free, and then do Canada with free, and then do everywhere else with free. And there's upgrades too you can put in, and you just save the profile. So I'm going to cancel that. Or you can create a new one here. It's going to be much the same thing. So you create one, and you just go through and add exactly what I just did. So you'll put in shipping prices. You can enter them manually. Processing time, 5 to 7. And then here, you have to put your country of origin. So for me, my suppliers are in the US, so I put 90210. And then here, shipping service, I just put this. And then here, I put free. And then Canada, I did the same. And then I put free. And then right everywhere else, I did the same. Then I put free. And then you just name it free shipping. And click Save Profile. And then you will have one, just like I do. And then you can apply that to all of your programs, which is right here. Now these ones are from suppliers that, when I uploaded the actual files, or the actual products, I forgot to uncheck like the free shipping, or I forgot to check the free shipping profile when I did it. So that's how I got that. So free shipping, I think it's necessary. I mean, we all know that on the Etsy search results, we all know it's built in. Like everybody knows that. So I don't know why buyers are so nuts about that, but let's look at this. To my new mom, because it's like Mother's Day coming up. Yeah, see, free shipping, free shipping, free shipping, free shipping, free. I'm gonna try a game here and see if I can find one that does not have free shipping. Because there's one. Oh, that's a Tumblr. And that is actually that's a PNG file, so that doesn't count. Free. Oh, there's one. That doesn't have free shipping, but look at that. That's an ad in row 7. So that's not even organic. Oh, okay, here's an organic one in row 8, and it doesn't have free shipping. Wow, okay, so 1, 2, 3 near the bottom. So I found 3. That's a PNG, that doesn't count. 4, 5. Okay, so 5, 6 on this front page. So however many listings are on this front page, I think there is, well, let's cheat here. How many listings on the front? 61, and 5 of them don't have free shipping. The other, so 5 out of 61 is what? Let's see here. 8% of the listings on the front page do not have free shipping. 92% of the listings on the front page of search results have free shipping. So there you go. Do you want to try for that 8% spot, or do you want to try for the 92% of the rest of the first page of search results? You know, Etsy's basically told us all, hey, do it or else. And all those ones that are in there are way, way, way at the bottom. So odds are somebody's going to find something they want long before they scroll down to see it. So that's free shipping on Etsy. That's how you set it up. That's my thoughts on it. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if I missed anything. It has happened before. But have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.